are the revelry, we are the dreamers. We dance through the night in our bones, we can feel it. Aiming for the stars against the sky. When we are together, we are bright. We'll light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We'll light up. Eyes open wide and the world is before us. We are the sound of a beautiful chorus, holding to the feeling, you and I. When we are together, we are bright. We'll light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We'll light up. We have everything we need and we know we were made for this adventure and we were made to go. We'll light up. We'll light up. Aiming for the stars against the sky. When we are together, we are bright. We'll light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We'll light up. We have everything we need and we know we were made for this adventure and we were made to go. We'll light up. We'll light up. We'll light up.
Bagaimana testimoni untuk kegiatan hari ini di lab gitu?
Untuk kegiatan hari ini, alhamdulillah semuanya begitu baik, berjalan lancar, dan sangat membantu saya sebagai radiografer dalam melaksanakan kegiatan sehari-hari di rumah sakit, terutama khususnya dalam pengujian FFD, pengujian filter pesawat, serta dalam pembuatan radiograf gelombang oblik. Di sini kita semua diajarkan bagaimana step-step, cara, dan juga sampai hasilnya. Dan dari paparan yang diberikan itu sangat membantu, sehingga mudah untuk dimengerti dan mudah untuk dilaksanakan.
Materinya bagus banget ya, terutama penjelasan dari pembicaranya udah bagus. Itu manfaatnya bagus banget buat radiografer ya, buat lihat ada magnifikasi dari alatnya atau enggak.